It's Nostalgia Day at Cafe Amora, and today we're going to make an orange creamsicle using Soda Jerk Orange Cream Vodka. Fantastic stuff. Available at citrusy.com. Promo code Cafe Amora. Save yourself some money. All right, everyone, the first thing you need to do to make a creamsicle is get yourself a mixing glass and some ice. Now, if you don't have a fancy cocktail mixing glass, just use a regular glass. It doesn't matter. The booze doesn't know. 1 ounce of freshly squeezed orange juice.
The booze doesn't know.
Next, you're going to need 1 ounce of heavy cream. Now, heavy cream makes everything taste better. Star of the show is Soda Jerk Orange Cream Vodka. Now, this stuff it's amazing, guys. It tastes like, remember when you were a kid and you had a creamsicle and you're riding around on your bike? It tastes just like that. It brings back all those memories. This stuff is fantastic. God bless the men who made this. 1 ounce. The pretty pour. And the final ingredient, we're going to add a splash of triple sec. Now at this point, you're going to want to stir the hell out of it. Get yourself your favorite cocktail glass with some ice and a strainer, and strain that bad boy into your glass. Look at that color. Look at that. That's freaking gorgeous. All right, guys, so that's how you make the orange creamsicle. Let's give it the old college try. But before I do, you know what to do. Slap that follow button for me. Oh my God. That tastes exactly like when I was 8 years old, minus the alcohol.